Family game time is one of the best ways to bond with kids while having fun, laughing, and creating memories together. Here's a well-balanced list of kids' games that are perfect for family bonding, grouped by type so you can choose what fits your family best. Board and tabletop games, all ages. These games encourage teamwork, turn-taking, and communication. 1. Ludo. Snakes and ladders. Easy to understand for young kids. Teaches patience and sportsmanship. Great for mixed age groups. 2. Uno. Fast, colorful, and exciting. Helps kids learn numbers, colors, and strategy. Brings lots of laughter and friendly competition. 3. Carom. Improves focus and hand-eye coordination. Kids learn rules, discipline, and fair play. Works well for parents and grandparents too. 4. Monopoly. Junior or classic. Teaches money management and decision making. Encourages discussion and planning. Best for slightly older kids. Creative and thinking games. These boost imagination and problem solving while bonding. 5. Pictionary. Draw and guess together. Encourages creativity and teamwork. Perfect for kids who love art. 6. Parades. No materials needed. Builds confidence and expression. Endless fun with movie, animal, or action themes. 7. Story building game. One person starts a story, others add lines. Builds imagination and language skills. Great before bedtime. Active and physical games, indoor-outdoor, perfect for releasing energy and bonding through movement. 8. Hide and seek. Classic and timeless. Builds excitement and teamwork. Great for younger kids. 9. Balloon volleyball. Safe indoor game, promotes coordination and laughter. Easy to set up with minimal space. 10. Catch and throw games. Improves motor skills. Encourages cooperation. Simple but effective bonding time. Role play and pretend games. These strengthen emotional connection and understanding. 11. Family role play. Kids act as parents, doctors, shopkeepers. Helps them express feelings. Parents understand children better. 12. Puppet shows. Make simple paper or sock puppets. Enhances storytelling and confidence. Great creative bonding activity. Digital games, in moderation. When played together, they can still build connection. 13. Just Dance motion games. Fun exercise for the whole family. Encourages movement and laughter. Suitable for all ages. 14. Puzzle and trivia games. Play quiz or puzzle apps together. Builds teamwork and knowledge. Best when parents join actively. Why family games matter for kids. Strengthen emotional bonds. Improve communication skills. Teach patience, sharing, and teamwork. Create happy childhood memories. Reduce screen-only time. Tip for parents. Set a weekly family game night. Let kids choose the game. It makes them feel valued and excited.